Hey everyone, James here. I've got something I've been wanting to try for a while now. So we're going to give it a shot today. And what I have here is one of these. Electric fly swatter. Yeah, 2500 watts. Electric fly swatter. And we're going to see if it'll cook one of these. Sort of interesting. Might even put a piece of sausage in there and see what happens. Stay tuned. Let's see what happens. All right, folks. Here we go. There's the electric bug zapper. I made a little bowl thing out of aluminum foil. And I've got an egg right here. Let's put it in there. 2500 watts. All right. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Hope this don't explode and we stand back. Aluminum foil. Yep, anyway.
Something like that. You ready? Having some fun underneath the stars.
Well,
Country just that far. Built a big fire by the creekside.
doesn't really seem to be doing anything.
Flip up a lid on some moonshine. Gonna get us a little.
All right. Well,
Love.
I'm holding the button down. It's
Get above.
not doing anything. Huh. But I guarantee you, if you touch it, it would knock you on your butt. But, huh. So, I let go of the button. But, put it over here. So, try it again here. Ready?
Build a big fire by the creekside. Hold my baby in the firelight. Flip up a lid on some
Well,
moonshine.
doesn't seem to be cooking an egg.
Get us a little.
Oh, wait a minute.
Love.
I don't know. No.
Buzz.
Well, that's interesting.
Uh-huh.
I thought it would. I thought it would just cook right up real quick like.
Load up the truck. Get on
Huh.
the blacktop, throw
Well,
a lot of mud.
I don't want to waste the batteries. I just got brand new batteries and put them in there. But so it will not cook an egg. At least this time it didn't. Well, that's interesting. I might just set a whole egg on there in the shell and see what happens. I'll be right back. Okay. So we know it won't cook an omelet. Let's try this. Let's just sit one on there and hold the button down and just see what happens. 2500 watts. All right. Are we ready? Here we go. And we're 3, 2, 1. I'll move over this way a little bit because I don't know what's going to happen with that. Alright. It is on. Right. Brand new Energizer batteries in there. And what I'm gonna do here in a minute, I'm gonna crack it open and see, or see what happens. It is on. It is. My cat's bumping up against the thing. It is electrified. Yep. Nothing seems to be going on here for a second. Hang on a second. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Press the button. All right. We're charged. And we're just going to hold it here for a minute. And then I'm going to drop the egg or crack it open. And we're going to see if it did anything at all. We know it didn't cook it in aluminum foil. Man, I hope that thing don't explode. But anyway, alright, I think that's long enough. I've let go of the button. This doesn't feel hot or warm or anything. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take over here and we're gonna, well, look at there. Didn't do anything to it. Anyway, so electric bug zapper will not cook an egg. Well, it'll sure shock the fire out of you. I hear you. All right. Hey everyone, James here. Well, it looks like the electric fly zapper didn't cook an egg, or didn't do anything to an egg. So I'm thinking, I can't just leave the video like that. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm in my backyard, of course, so I can't really pull out my shotgun or my Mosin Nagant. What I am gonna do is use my Beeman Kodiak air rifle, 1,200 feet per second with lead-free pellets. So I'm thinking maybe it's about 1,000 feet per second with a lead pellet. But anyway, I'll show you what I got going on. Hang tight. Okay, I'm going to shoot the eggs with my Beeman Kodiak pellet rifle. It's got the 177 caliber barrel on it. It came with a 22 caliber also. 1,200 feet per second with non-lead pellets. But anyway, I'm thinking I'm still gonna be pushing a good 900 or 1,000 with lead pellets. But I got some eggs set up over here, and we're gonna shoot them. All right. And there you go. All right. All right, everyone. Well, at least we shot some eggs. Wasn't my shotgun or my Mosin Nagant because I'm in my backyard. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. It's pretty interesting. Man, it is windy out here, blowing in some storms tonight. Anyway, everybody stay safe. If you like my channel, subscribe, hit the like button. And till then, till next time, stay safe and peace out.